Hey beauty baddies, it's your girl Maniya. Welcome back to another Main Monday. In today's video, I'll show you how I spice up my edges with Style Factor Edge Booster. This gel is amazing. It has great hold. Now let's get into this do. So I'm just showing you all of the products that you will need to create this look or this do. I'm starting off spraying my hair with my water bottle, just getting it nice and wet so that it's easy to work with. Now I'm gonna take my comb and I'm gonna start by making my side part that I want. If you don't want to do a side part, you don't have to. I just was choosing this for this style. Now I'm going to start separating where I'm going to do my edges from what hair I'm going to put into the actual ponytail. Some people have an easier way of finding this by just brushing some hairs down. I like to really make a part and see what hairs are really going to be used for my edges. And after you figure that part out, you can put the rest in a ponytail just to have good separation. And now I'm gonna start on my other side just by brushing my hair down. And then I'm gonna start making the separation between what hairs go in the ponytail and what hairs will be used for my edges. Now I'm gonna take my Style Factor gel and I'm just gonna start laying down my hairs that are in the ponytail so that I have that all smoothed down. And now it's time to create your spicy edges. Now this was very difficult. This is the first time that I'm really using this gel to create this type of look. So it was a lot of me trying to figure out how to brush my hair, what way looks best. You may have to take your time with this. I'm still not great at making these kind of edges, but I always wanted to learn, and this gel is so great. It's so easy to use, and it doesn't lift up your hair or make it look like you're sweating. So good. So as you saw with that first one, I just swooped the edges. I'm just trying to do like a swooping motion. I'm swooping it as much as I can to create that like SC swirl. This looked crazy. I ended up changing that. Then I went down to the other part, my sideburn, and I tried to make that like little circle that a lot of girls have when they do their edges like this. That was very difficult. So I had to end up creating the circle and then kind of like sticking it on my cheek like it was like a sticker in a way. As weird as that sounds, but it did work when I did it that way. You may find it easier just doing it with the brush, but my hair, the way it works, is not set up that way. And there you have some spicy edges. If you're interested in getting your Style Factor Edge Booster, you can check out my affiliate link in the description. Also, check out my beauty blog, Carter's Beauty Deals, link also in description. And if you're interested in following me on social media, you can follow me at these links. Subscribe and hit that notification bell, guys. I'll see you guys in my next Main Monday. Peace.